Since April 1st, an additional 26 billion soms have been allocated for raising the salaries of about 309,000 social workers for 9 months of 2022, the president said. In addition to these payments, we plan to increase child benefits from June 1st, payments to personal assistance and other categories. As usual, we plan to raise pensions in October this year. We will make every effort to ensure that the increase is not nominal but serious, Sadr Japarov added.
Қазынабыз толтыра болса, бардық тармақтардың айлық ақыларын чоғын көтермек.
If our treasury were full, we would raise salaries in all areas at once, but our budget is limited, so I would like to ask you to be patient a little. Hopefully, we will raise your salary after the second quarter. I want to openly appeal to all our citizens. I know the situation is tough right now. Expensiveness in everything, prices have risen. Unemployment persists, not enough finance to the most essentials. The situation may actually get worse due to recent world events. We must be ready for this. I urge all of us to reconsider spending, to delay buying expensive things and stop wasting money. You know that by decree I recommend that livestock sacrifices be limited at family funeral rites. The most important thing now is food security, both at the state level and the level of each family. I beg everyone that we don't leave a single field unsown, that we use every spring day to work in the garden and clean the canals. The day feeds the year.